Got a 2012 Dodge Charger 6.4 liter Hemi, one of the rare ones. It's only got 80,000 miles on it, guys. That is insane for a 2012. Anyways, the guy came 9 hours to Nashville. He had some work, other stuff to do, internship. And he said he's been a huge fan for the past couple of years. And he had to get his work done here. So we really appreciate him coming down. We hooked him up with some merch and hooked him up with some exhaust work too. So anyways, factory converter there, factory converter there, factory X pipe there. Then he brought his own Jones JFP 3-inch right there. Two of those big boys, as you guys can see right there. We installed them. Then we took the rear resonators off, as you guys can see there and there, and installed some 5-inch tips, signature 5-inch roll tips out the back. So there'll be a link in the description for the Jones. And I don't know if we can find you some tips like these. We specialize in them. So if we find the link to them, we'll get them to you guys. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you guys subscribe. Only about 20% of you guys subscribe. So we really appreciate it if you guys can hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out. 2012 SRT 8. I'm gonna show his first reaction to hearing it. Here we go. Go ahead. Give it gas. That's it right there. Yeah. And it's in the snow, guys. So you gotta admit that's a cool background. Oh, that's so nice. Again? Those are the perfect. Yeah, that's perfect sound. Wow, it's got a nice chop to it. And idle's not insane. Let it idle. Yeah, that it has something on it, but nothing crazy. Yeah. Give it gas. Wow. Yeah, that sounds really nice. Go ahead and back it out. That looks so good too. This car is clean, man. You gotta tint the windows next.
I know.
Yeah. Again? So much nicer. I like it. What do you guys think? Jones is the way to go for clean, consistent sound. That's so much nicer. Let you guys hear on the inside. It's cold, baby. It's cold out. So look at that snow scene backdrop. That's awesome. I love it. What do you guys think? We really appreciate them coming down. Here we go. Baby, it's cold outside.